I'm Heather Whitaker. I'm a senior lecturer in statistics here at the Open University. My general area of research is in medical statistics, in particular statistics as applies to epidemiology, which is the study of population health.
So how did you get into the area of medical statistics? What kind of number crunching do you do, and why do you feel it's important?
My first degree was in mathematics and statistics, and then I went on to do a PhD at Imperial College in the Department of Epidemiology and Public Health. After that, I took up a postdoc position here at the Open University with a brilliant professor, Professor Paddy Farrington. I was extremely lucky to come here and work with him. So at first I was working on infectious diseases epidemiology, and then my second postdoc with him was working on a particular method which is called the Self-Control case series method, which is used a lot in the study of vaccine safety.
So in terms of vaccine safety, I think the thing that most of us will remember best was the scare around the MMR vaccine and childhood autism. So it's really clear that vaccine safety is important and the need to inform the public. So what kind of things are you working on at the moment?
So this particular study design that I work on, which is called the Self-Control case series design, so we'd look at periods after a vaccine has been given and look to see if there's an increase in the incidence of adverse health events during a fixed period of time after a vaccine's been given.
So in terms of your work in medical statistics, what do you feel that it delivers?
So my work delivers robust methods that epidemiologists can use to study things like the safety of vaccines and prescription medicines. And I talk to epidemiologists all around the world to ensure that the methods, if they're using this particular method, that their methods are fit for purpose.
Can you tell me a little bit about how your work feeds into module production and OU teaching?
So in terms of module production, I've worked on a first level course called Introducing Statistics, and I wrote the unit which was on medical statistics, on testing new drugs coming onto the market, so running through the clinical trials process and looking at the safety aspects as well as the effectiveness of the new drugs.
So what kind of people come to you with problems, and how does your work then feed back into the real world?
So epidemiological researchers at other universities, public health authorities and drug companies will come to me with their problems, and we'll discuss them and make sure that they have robust solutions to their problems, and then they can do their safety studies, which then go on to inform the general public, the government and drug companies to ensure the safety of our public.
Heather, thank you.
Thank you.